Earning opportunities for teens. Are you a teen wanting to make money but don't know how while juggling studies? Want something more active? Consider working part-time for a local restaurant, doing deliveries, or helping with their social media. Freelancing is perfect. If you're good at writing, design, or even coding, websites like Fiverr or Upwork can connect you to clients worldwide. Got a knack for a subject? You can tutor online and help younger students while earning from home. Teens are great at social media. Use your skills to help small businesses manage their profiles and grow their presence online. Creative? Sell your handmade crafts online. Platforms like Etsy are great for selling jewelry, art, or even stationery. Here's a big one. Team up with your friends. Collaborate on a small business idea, whether it's starting an online store or offering a local service. It's all about balancing study and hustle. Start today and who knows where you'll go. Like, share, and subscribe for more tips.